Hello everyone. It's been a while, hasn't it? Well, guess what? I'm back, and I'm back for good. Before we jump into the exciting news, I want to take a moment to thank you all for your incredible support throughout my hiatus. Life can get pretty crazy sometimes, and I need that break to recharge and refocus. But I never stop thinking about all of you and the amazing YouTube community. So here we start. Hey there YouTube fam, Steve here, and I'm super excited to share my today's video with you all. Today we are diving into an electrifying project that's been on my mind for a while now. I'm going to walk you through the process of building a robust and powerful 16S 100 amp battery pack with this incredible 100 amp hour high star cells. But before we get into that nitty-gritty of building the battery pack, we make sure to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of our exciting DIY projects and tech adventures. Alright, let's break down what we all be doing today. I will guide you through the materials you will need, the step-by-step assembly process, and finally we will put this baby to the test. And yeah, let me clarify you, my BMS has not been arrived yet, so I'm not using it for this video. And yeah, I have done this in a controlled environment. You don't even try to use any kind of lithium battery without any BMS or any sort of protection. Let me show you what's new. I have got some fancy stuff. Now this is a digital multimeter with touchscreen and auto function. On top of that, it's rechargeable, so you don't have to put any batteries. Other one is a budget bench power supply. It can do up to 60 volt and 5 amps. Very compact, yeah. And for the project, I'm going to use a 5 amp active balancer. As for now, Banggood is having a sale. You can grab this item for a very enticing price. The sale will end at the end of September 2023. You will find all the products links I mentioned in today's video down in the description below. Now I want to be upfront with you. Those links are affiliate links. If you choose to use those links, it's a fantastic way to show your support for the channel. That's all for today's guys. Hope you like this video. Please like, comment and subscribe and stay tuned for next video.